May mumu! May mumu! May mumu! May mumu! May mumu! Di ba? Sir! May mumu sa toilet! May mumu! Bumubukas! Bumubukas!
Sir, relax. Hindi mo yan, Toto yan.
Welcome to the world of Toto. Kita nyo naman to, so iconic, it is called the washlet. Over 40 million sold worldwide. Bakit? May bidet, adjustable yung pressure, and what everybody loves, the heated seats. Oh my God. It is so comfy, you would like to take a seat. Take a seat. Toto is known for a wide array of cool and amazing stuff. Of course, the toilet seats, you got the sinks, shower heads, faucets, and a whole lot more. Pero ang favorite ko, haha, check this out. Boys and girls, this is the Mac Daddy of toilet seats. Yes, it is the Toto Neo Rest. Bakit sa sobrang cool? Check this out. Lalapit ka pa lang, open na siya. Aba, hindi lang yan. Alam naman nating bidet is life. May built-in bidet. Number 3, when you're done with your business, aalis ka lang, and it closes. Buti pa tong Toto. Keeps me nice and warm. But don't just take my word for it. Check out Toto right here at Robbins Design Center in Ortigas so you would know why people like me go loco over Toto. Teka, saan na ba yung seatmate ko? Seatmate! Seatmate!